Ever wonder why your resume isn't getting noticed? You've heard it all before, right? Use the right keywords, pick the perfect template, or my personal favorite, just let AI do it for you. But what if I told you the secret to standing out isn't what you think? But before we dive in, if you're looking for more career tips that go beyond the usual advice, and maybe the occasional coffee-fueled rant, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. Your future resume will thank you.
Capital limit on my cafe lattes says so right here. And I don't want to get dirty looks when I come in here. If I want a cafe latte, you give me a cafe latte. And if I have any problems, I'm going to get my lawyer, Jackie Giles, down here.
The secret is your mindset. It's not about following a checklist. It's about approaching your resume like a marketer.
Here's my card. It's got my cell number, my pager number, my home number, and my other pager number. I never take vacations, I never get sick, and I don't celebrate any major holidays.
Think about it. Marketers sell products by understanding three things. First, what makes the product valuable. Second, what the audience wants. And third, how to grab attention. Now replace product with you. Your resume isn't just a list of jobs. It's your personal ad campaign. Now, I get it. Writing about yourself can feel awkward, but the first step to a strong resume is knowing your value. What did you actually do in your previous roles? What skills did you use? And what impact did you have?
Why do you think you'd make a good pharmaceutical sales rep?
Well, I'm a people person. People like me. Some of my favorite people are people. I feel like I'm saying people a lot. People. Okay, I'm done.
Relatable, right? But here's how you can make it easier. Think about the actions you took and the results. For example, if you have numbers, use them. Instead of just saying, helped customers, try, resolved inquiries for 20 plus customers daily, ensuring satisfaction and repeat business. And if numbers don't fit, focus on how you worked. Provided empathetic support to customers, actively listening to concerns and building trust through clear communication. See, it's not about listing tasks, it's about showing your value. Next, know your audience. Marketers don't just shout into the void.
Hello? Is, anyone here? Oh!
They tailor their message. Your audience is the employer. If the job posting says they value teamwork, connect the dots for them. Instead of saying, collaborate with team members, try this. Collaborate with a team of 5 to plan and execute a campus event for 200 plus students, managing vendor communication, marketing, and logistics. This example shows what the team did and how you contributed. Employers need to see the details that connect your story to their needs.
Connect the dots. I draw a horsey.
And finally, let's talk psychology. Recruiters spend about 6 seconds, yes, you heard me, 6 seconds scanning your resume. You need to hook them instantly.
Sir? Sir, are you listening to me, sir? Sir, I'm talking to you.
Start with a bullet profile section that aligns directly with the job title. For example, if you're applying to a market coordinator role, say this: marketing coordinator, skilled in content creation, social media campaigns, and audience engagement. Right away, the reader knows that you're a good match. The keywords make it clear that you understand their priorities, and they help applicant tracking systems to flag your resume as relevant. Also, readers read top down, so be sure to place the more relevant experiences towards the beginning of your resume. So here's the deal. Writing a resume isn't about checking boxes or following trends. It's about stepping into the mindset of a marketer. Know yourself, your skills, actions, and results. Know your audience, what they value, and understand psychology. Grab attention and keep it. Instead of asking, what should I include? Ask, how do I show my value? That's the real secret. Remember, your resume is more than just a list of jobs. It's your personal marketing campaign. Embrace the marketer's mindset, showcase your unique value, and watch opportunities unfold. Ready to revamp your approach? Share your best resume tip in the comments, and let's learn together.